Welcome to the lovely Saffiyah. She is gorgeous, as you can see, and as well as being gorgeous, she's extremely practical. She was built around the shower as the very first and most important thing that I wanted to have. It's a lovely rain shower with exposed copper piping and extremely spacious and effective, and I can get 5 showers now out of 1 tank of water, which is quite a fine art. So as well as a shower, you can also do lots of other things in Saffiyah, like cook. She's got a 3 hob burner, gas burner, and a lovely large fridge, which has a rather exquisite burnished copper door, and masses of room for food and drink. Continuing the orange and copper theme is my jam pot sink, which still has some unwashed dishes in it, but is plumbed in, and also has copper piping taps. Hot water, I've got a nifty little hot water heater. I've forgotten the name of it. Propex, it's the one everyone gets. Propex heater, and 70 litre, might have said that already, but 70 litre water tank pumped through. What are other things? Well, bags of storage space for, you know, food and housewares, games, bottles, jars, etc. Nice organised drawers. Actually, this was not my idea, but I'm thrilled with it. Everything at a touch. Pots and pans and salads, bowl, and yeah, lots of storage for cooking utensils. So it really is a home away from home, and of course her featured wine rack. Gas bottle kept here, so it's legal and safe and accessible. Then the sitting and eating area was actually inspired by Bella, the first Quirky camper. I really liked the 3-sided sense of intimacy and comfort, so that's what I based it on. It goes down into a bed, table lowers down, there's a piece that fits, and the cushions are designed to make, I think it's a super king sized bed, so plenty of space. And then there's this lovely bunk bed, which when you're not travelling with an extra person, doubles as extra luggage space, musical instrument space. Bedding can be tucked up there, although this whole side of the van has storage for bedding, so that's where all the duvets and pillows and things are. Under this side there's a bit of storage space that I actually don't use, and all the electric, so there's 2 batteries and the solar inverter, and all the controls are down there. Water tanks below that side and the pump, so there's all, half of this is also storage space. Lovely antique porthole. I'm very fond of this. Go on a bit about this, but I don't care. When I was a little kid, my grandparents went on a cruise in the SS Canberra, and came back and told me wonderful stories about what they'd seen around the world. Brought back lots of souvenirs, and so I just always remembered this SS Canberra. So when I was looking for a porthole, I found the last porthole available from the SS Canberra, so that's what that is. And somebody rather clever has made this cover that means that we can black out completely at night. So this unscrews and then screws back through the hole, and it's also designed to just fall open, so plenty of daylight in the daytime. So there's these very handy little spotlights around the floor, which can be isolated, so they can be the only ones on, or this nice space light up here, or the up and down lighters around the walls. Plenty of power points and USB sockets. A nice touch that was a gift from the converters. I hadn't expected these. Well, these beautiful handles that they rather creatively made out of copper pipes, and my cactus towel hook behind you. No camper van ever has enough hooks, so that's something I'm still working on. Got a few cup hooks for a temporary measure, but designing something useful and interesting will be one of the next steps.